Hello everyone, welcome to a solution video for while loop worksheet 1, question 2, where we're creating a program that adds up all the numbers starting at 1 all the way up to your input. So this increases the complexity of our previous question 1, and we're going to be adding up towards up to all the numbers up to user input. So let's start with our user input. It's going to be integer value, the integer value. Next, in our processing section, I'm going to set up two variables. First, total sum, that's 0. I haven't added anything yet. And I'm going to have a start variable starting at 1. This is our starting number. So we're going to say, well, while our start variable is less than equal to input, we're going to add that value into start. And every time I do so, I'm going to increase start by 1. In our output, you can say total is total sum. And let's run this code. If I were to run this code with 10, you get an answer of 55. This is a really great practice to use your assignment operators to manipulate multiple variables in a while loop, especially one is going up by 1 incrementally while the other is dependent on a variable that is changing. This is the infamous question that the famous mathematician Gauss figured out a really good formula for to calculate sum of all numbers below an integer n. I highly recommend that you Google what that is, because once you figure out what that formula is, this problem actually becomes a lot more efficient compared to while. But that's something that we'll uh, examine way further in the future. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.